Hi, guys, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cash, my partner is Cram, and we're both here to teach you guys everything day trading and these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. I'm so sorry, guys, my energy levels are not on point today. I'm not feeling too well. I've come here to tell you guys what's going to happen in these markets and what's been happening to give you my level so you all can trade. But I'm not looking to trade today. I'm not feeling too well. But here, guys, we have about 10 minutes to market open. There were some moves that were happening before we started. I caught some of them. That's it. I'm not going to trade anymore before CPI. Yesterday, I tried to trade. It was a very, very choppy day. It was one of the choppiest days that I've seen in the last 3-4 months. It was really, really, really bad for London. Right now, I'm looking at DAX, guys. You can see DAX. Look at this chop. We've just been trading sideways. We have CPI that's coming up in the next couple of hours for New York market open. And I think around that time we'll have a lot of volume that will run in these markets, because yesterday was also choppy comparatively. Today is also choppy, but I think New York is going to be amazing, guys. Also, if y'all are trading anything right now, I am looking for sells down here for DAX. And obviously my buys above the supply zone and sells down here. Below my daily support, it's hard to break, y'all can see. On the left, we have a lot of traffic trying to break our demand zone, but we couldn't. And nasty, I'm looking for buys here above our 15-minute resistance, but obviously bigger buys will be above our 4H resistance. And for sells, we can fall down to, it's a very, very big move, guys, but let's see if we get it. Below our, we have been falling for quite some time. This is what I caught on nasty. I had been waiting on this move since yesterday, guys. Yesterday was really, really, really choppy, but I got those sells. But maybe we'll fall down further. Let's see what we're going to do, or maybe we're just going to consolidate for some time and wait for the news, the bigger news that's going to come out later in the day. But look at this. We can get oversold. Maybe we could just go and test our 50 and go up and just hit our buys in the meantime. And obviously for sells, we'll have to go oversold for that. Okay? And I'm looking at this DAX. We're trying to do something here. We're trying to test our 50. Maybe we could fall down from here or just take a push up and go for our buys till our daily resistance. But daily, bigger buys will be above our daily resistance. So let's see what we're going to do. But the markets are really, really, really choppy, guys. Yesterday was the day that I ended. Look at this, guys. I'm so sorry I couldn't tell you all about gold, but gold is trying to play out right now. These are the buys. Like smaller buys. Obviously the bigger positions will be above our 1H resistance and sells below our 4H support. Okay, the gold is strike, guys. If anyone is trading gold, just try to take smaller positions today, guys. Fake outs. And yesterday was a very choppy day for me, guys. After a very long time, I ended my day on break even. I'm not saying that's bad. That's really, really good. But it was really, really choppy yesterday. I was stuck in positions for a really long time. Neither was it hitting my stop loss or hitting my TP. It was hard to make money yesterday. But let's see what we get today. We were just preparing for today's CPI, and I hope we get some good volume. I'm just preparing for that. I'm not trying to trade any chop that's going to happen today. I'm not looking for any trades for London market open, guys. I'm not going to risk anything more than that. I've already traded a little on nasty. I was waiting on those sells. They happened a little, and I'm okay with what I made. Let's see, guys. Is anyone trading anything? I'm so sorry, guys. We started late, so I just could not go to the chats. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Okay, so gold is trying, guys, but nothing has closed in our box. This is the supply zone. This is a very small supply zone that we're looking at. If we break this, we could go to our 1H resistance, but I wouldn't recommend you all getting in with your Lambos. Also, guys, for today, for London market open or for New York market open, you all, yesterday and today, choppy days, guys. Cram and I, we were just talking about it, and if you guys don't have your risk management in place, these markets are gonna kill you. I mean, trust me when I say this. Yesterday was very choppy. I ended the day on break even, and I was like, what is happening? There is nothing happening in those markets. They're not hitting my stop loss, they're not hitting my TPs. But gold is trying, guys. We have opened again in our box. Let's see, we could get some sort of resistance from here. Again, I'm getting very, very small. I'm putting lines here and there because these markets are very choppy and anything can happen at any time. So just go really, really, really slow, okay? Just a question, should I set a SL on a feeler? Yeah, that's the point of a feeler, right? I mean, you don't have to, but if you want to, absolutely, you should put a hard stop. But it has to be like 100 pips or something. Like, even if I'm putting my feeler, I'm putting like 2 cents or 10 cents or 20 cents, you know. I'm doing that and I have a big account. So you have to give your feeler some room to breathe. And we're putting those feelers to test out those markets. That's the point of it. So if it's going 50 pips against you or 100 pips, also, it's not going to hurt your account. And that's how you have to sort of organize it and trade it. Okay? But risk management, guys, look at this, guys. This is we're trying, we're testing our supply zone. Maybe we'll look for buys continuation above this supply zone. We're getting a lot of supply over here, like I told you. I put this. Okay, now let's see, just give me a second. Okay, everything is just choppy, guys. All the levels that you think are not very important, they all are becoming important. All of a sudden they're catching just buyers and sellers from left, right, center, and we've been trading sideways. It's the worst kind of market to trade, guys. It is. Again, we have 4 minutes to market open, guys. I'm so sorry, excuse me for that. Let's see what we get. Okay, look at this, we're trying to do something here. Look at nasty. We could be doing something like this, guys. Okay, to go for our buys, or we could be just making this smaller one and then going up, or this also could happen, guys. There are a lot of possibilities in these markets when it comes to charts and patterns and stuff like that. So you can't just trust any pattern and say that it's going to happen, because these markets are ever changing and we need to change with them. And as these patterns are moving, they're becoming one and another, and we have to catch that. Gold still trying. Let me see gold. 1 second. Just give me a second. So you all see how we're still in this. Okay, guys, you see this divergence? Can anyone tell me, one-on-ones, can anyone tell me what divergence is this? What's happening on DAX, guys? Yes, perfect. Raul Negigi, that's perfect. Bullish divergence. The market, as we're seeing on the charts, it's going down, but with the RSI, we are seeing that the strength is with the buyers. So to need to push up, they need to go down and test the buyers again and take a lot of liquidity from there, take a lot of volume from there and push up. That's why we keep seeing that, these divergences, okay? This demand zone is also very strong on DAX, guys. Look at those candles. Also, guys, I'm not trading anything, but if you all want, if on market open we start to push up, we can start layering your position on DAX from 4-8 support for buys, you know, small positions. Feelers. Your feelers also could be smaller today. If you're putting maybe like 50 cents a pip, or maybe some people with a bigger account must be putting $1 a pip. Sorry. You can reduce it, guys, today. Trust me. It's market open, guys, in another minute.
10 seconds.
In 10 seconds, guys. I'm so sorry. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Market open, guys. Let's see. Okay. DAX is trying, guys. Again, they got support from our demand zone. This is just an impulse, guys. This is an indecisive candle that we're dealing with. Look at gold, we're trying to drop down. I'm looking at indices, guys. I'm not trading, but I'm just looking at indices, guys. Just be very, very careful, guys. That's why I was telling you all that you all need to give your stop loss some room to breathe, because these kind of candles will just keep hitting your stop loss and you will get nothing. Look at this. Still indecision in these markets, guys. Still indecision. We're not going to get a lot of pips. But again, you can start compounding your pips like how I was talking about in the last session. Maybe get 10 pips from London and maybe catch like 30, or maybe whatever your goal is, and catch those pips over there and start compounding your pips maybe. Again, we got support from
Golden move 100 pips.
golden move 100 pips.
It's 7 pips.
It was 7 pips. It wasn't 100. It's okay. I know we all are learning here. It's fine. Nasty dead? Yeah, tell me about it. Yesterday something is happening on German 30. German 30 is trying to do something. Let's see, guys. Okay, we're going in for buys like I told you all. This is a very, very big and strong support that's sitting over there, our demand zone, and we're getting into buys now, guys. Is anyone trading anything? Small positions, guys. Small positions. We have a big day. We have a lot of news coming out, and that's playing out, guys. DAX Impulse. Look at that. So I entered in with a small position, guys, on DAX, and I'm running about $300 on this. 426, 500, 700. Okay, this is making me happy, guys. I'm gonna remove. I don't need more, and I don't need to leave more, guys. Okay, 750, 863. Okay, it's 972. Okay, I feel a lot better now, and I've removed my position, guys. Okay, I'm not looking for too much, guys. I made about $863 on this, and it's pushing, guys. Look at that. I think my energy is back now. I feel a lot better when these markets move, you know. This is amazing, guys. Okay, this is good, but nasty is choppy AF, guys. It's very choppy. Gold is again trying to get into our supply zone and break it and go above, but nothing happening. But let's look at DAX, guys. If we close above our daily resistance, chances are we could push up. But again, this is a very strong level to break, and if we don't have that kind of volume, we might just go up and just fall down even harder. So just be very, very careful. Now, don't be buying the top, guys. Wait for the retest. Wait for this candle to close in our box or above our daily resistance, and then think of getting. But congratulations, guys. W on German 30, 0. Congratulations. Congratulations, guys. I'm really happy you all are making money in these kind of markets. I'm really, really, really happy. Look at that, guys. There's still momentum. There is still a lot of volume in these markets. Look at that. We're trying to go overbought. We're around 68. This is okay. This is a golden cross that's happening right now. That's why we're getting this candle, guys. This is the golden cross that's happening on German 30. We're pushing up. Also, we're trying to go overbought. These are the reasons as to why we are pushing continuously up. Okay, this is good. I like this. Guys, Cram just sent my position to you all. I made this much, and I'm happy. That's it. I am looking to trade New York. I'm going to juice out nasty like anything. I'm just waiting for that. I've already put my levels on NASDAQ for CPI. I'm fully prepared, and that's what I'm going to trade for New York. I'm done with my pips for this. Trust me when I say this. It has to go up. Let it go up. I don't care. I really don't care. I wasn't anyway looking to trade this. I already made some on nasty, the cells that I was talking about. Over here, I was waiting for these sells since yesterday, so I got all of it. So I was okay anyway, and then I traded this. Now, whatever happens to market, it pushes up, it goes down. I don't care. I'm prepared for CPI, and that's what I'm looking for. That's it. Nasty. Yes, Nasty moves really, really well for New York, guys. Really well. US 30 is gonna give you a lot of pips today, guys. That's what I can tell you. Cram is preparing US 30 for himself and for you guys. I'm doing Nasty for myself and obviously for you guys. But yeah, US 30 also. Nasty still gave us some pips. Nasty still has been giving some pips, but US 30 has been just really choppy. So I can only imagine the kind of volume that we're going to get for CPI. But look at DAX, guys. If you left a feeler also running on this, you would be making money. And this is good, guys. I mean, one move like this, usually DAX gives us this kind of move for London, right? So this kind of move one day, it's good, guys. Start compounding your pips. GBP USD, guys. Look at that. We're above our 200. We're in an uptrend. Also, we're trying to do some higher time frame setups for you guys also. We're just trying to figure some things out. We'll start sending you all also bigger time frame setups later on. We're just testing these. We'll introduce it to you guys soon. Okay, guys? But yeah, this is what's happening, guys. Look at DAX. We're catching sellers from there. Look at that rejection on that wick. We still have about 3.5 minutes on this candle. The last 30 seconds will tell us what's going to happen in these markets, and that's what I'm waiting to see. Boy24, whatever information that you need, you'll find it on Forex Academy. Basically, to trade, you need TradingView. That is right over here where we do our analysis. And to put our trades on, we need to download something called MetaTrader, and you need to have a broker. I mean, it's a long list of things that you need, but if you could just go look at that, guys. DAX. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, guys. Look at that. It's amazing. I hope you all are making money on this. All the information that you need will be available on Forex Academy. And other than that, you can come to our lives and ask any questions that you need. And if you want to learn trading in depth and how so many of you all are learning, we have one-on-one sessions as well. One-on-one mentorship program with Cram. He takes New York session. If you're new here, you can message me about that. And you can ask anyone about that as well. He's really good at what he does. Okay, look at that, guys. We're catching sellers. Guys, I'll wait for another 10 minutes, for another 15-minute momentum to open up. And after that, I'm not going to trade this job. Why should I? I'm patiently waiting for New York to make my money. I made what I had to make from this session. I wasn't expecting this much also, guys, to be honest, because yesterday was really, 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 really choppy. But today seems a little better. I think we're opening up a little. There's some volume here and there, but we're still like consolidating. We're still trading on a bigger level sideways. But look at this gold, guys. We're still trying to get into our supply zone and break it with momentum to get those buys, but we just don't have that much volume at this point. Is anyone trading anything at this point? Are you all in any trades? Look at that rejection, guys. There again. We got support from a 4-8 resistance. We're trying to fall now. Nasty is not doing anything choppy. I know Nasty is going to be good for New York, so that's what I'm waiting for. Also, guys, look at that. It's such a big move, right? It's only 21 pips. Not a lot of volume. Yes, not a lot of volume. Look at that. We thought it was such a big move because we were seeing these candles, right? And these were hardly like 2 to 3 pip long candles, and this was just a 21 pip long move, and it felt like maybe it was like 70, 80 pips, guys. But it still has potential to go up, guys. Till here. Okay, if we want to, we can go till here. But again, at this point, guys, you shouldn't be buying this market. It's also a bigger break of structure, guys, if you look at it. Also, I have a question. One-on-ones, what do you all see over here? Actually, Cram told me to take a test. He told me to ask you all. Tell me what this is. One-on-ones. Come on. What is this? But what do we call it? What do sellers do? Okay, I'm giving you a hint. What do sellers do? What is the other name for consolidation? What do sellers do, guys? Yes, Rahul, distribution. That's bang on. That's distribution that's happening with the sellers. This is distribution. Bang on. Also, this is a consolidation zone. DAX could come back up. Yes, it's a bigger break of structure. That's what I'm looking at above our daily resistance. If we look back on the left, also if we catch support from a demand zone, which has turned into a demand zone now from our 4-8 resistance, we could definitely push up. But we need momentum. It's a bigger break of structure, guys. And seeing this distribution, gold is not doing anything. I hate gold, guys. I hate it. I just don't like trading gold at all. Also, guys, you can see the uptrend. If we get rejected from a trend line and we close below that, you see 1H. You can take your smaller positions for like maybe 20 pips down till your 4-8 support for sells before our actual sells begin from our demand zone. So this is obviously this is a bigger picture, guys, below our demand zone, but we could be doing something like this. So if you just want to play along and get in with the sells, I'm only talking to one-on-ones over here because I know Cram has taught you all how to get in and out of these positions. So if you all feel comfortable, you can take those. If you don't, then obviously demand zone you have to break, and then you can get into safer sells. Okay? DAX is catching support from our demand zone. Nasty. Maybe we're trying to make a double bottom push up, or we could just completely do something else altogether. Yeah, but nothing's happening, guys. We got like 21 pips. I'm gonna wait for another 2 minutes for another 15-minute momentum. If that doesn't happen, y'all gonna be having my levels, and when the next hourly opens, there will be some momentum. So maybe with that, if you want to make some 10-20 pips or maybe 10-12 pips, you can do that and start compounding for New York. Because for New York today, if you can make also, you can lose also that quickly. The people who have traded CPI before know how volatile it is, right? Anything can happen. So if you want to start compounding your pips from now, the whole day you can start doing that. You have our levels, just keep a check on them and just trade with that till CPI opens up, because I can tell you there is no volume in the market. We're going to trade sideways and these levels are going to work till New York. So don't worry about that. You can use these levels and start compounding your pips for New York. Look at that. Sales could be coming in, guys. I mean, we're getting rejected heavily from our supply zone. You just need to close below our trend line. But again, it's a very risky sell. The people who know how to get in and get out. But one-on-ones know how to do it. If you guys feel comfortable, you can go ahead and do it. If not, then you don't have to do it. The next 15-minute momentum has opened up, and as I expected, there is not a lot of volume. It just doesn't look good to me, guys. Let me look at the indices. German 30 again got some volume trying to push up, but until we break that red wick with momentum, we're not pushing up on DAX. And nasty, there's nothing happening. Choppy markets, guys. I'd rather not trade than lose my money on this. But if you want to learn, these are great markets to learn. And look at that, guys. Sales are happening. One-on-ones. I hope you all are catching it. But wait. Again, I'm also getting too excited, guys. You know, when I see a candle falling with no wick, it's just getting me so excited because I'm not seeing that in these markets, guys. So again, if you're testing it out, test it out with feelers. One-on-ones, be very, very careful. And if anyone is interested in taking one-on-ones, guys, y'all can message me or Cram. If anyone is new here and y'all don't know, if y'all don't know how these markets work, you're a beginner, you don't understand anything, don't worry, we've got you. We have 2 sessions, London and New York. New York happens every day. London happens maybe 2 to 3 times a week, according to the volume, based on the volume that we get on the markets. Yes, one-on-ones are killer, JJ. Yes, they are amazing, and they're so amazing that we have a 6 week wait time, guys. You all will have to wait for 6 weeks to get your first session. I haven't received my one-on-one as of now, but I want one. I'm waiting for one. But they're gold, guys. They're amazing, and he's amazing at what he does. Till now, he's teaching, like, every day he teaches me something new about these markets, and I'm like, how are you doing it? Trust me. I've got the best teacher in the world. He's teaching me these markets every day. Like, I'm really blessed that he's there next to me. I've been learning these markets from him from past 6-7 years, guys. My first teacher for everything, always. That's gold also, guys. It's just they don't want to. Again, DAX maybe trying to fill that wick. Let's see. Okay, guys, I don't think anything is gonna happen. You all can see my charts. You can take down the levels. I reckon you already have. Thank you so much for this session, guys. Thank you so much. I came on here to give you guys these levels. If you all are trading by yourselves the whole day, please be very, very careful. And for CPI as well, please be very careful. Don't be risking more than 1%, I would say, and also get in with smaller lots, guys. Big moves are going to happen. I'm super excited for today's session. Thank you so much, guys, for this session. I'll see you all for CPI. Signing off.